Many niggas can't stop me, I'm going in. Many niggas can't stop me, I'm going in. Every time the pack get gone, I get another load.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to get this slick back low bun on your natural hair. So I didn't wash my hair, so don't judge how my hair is looking, but you're going to want to part your hair into 2 parts, and then I'm going to spray my hair with the water bottle until it's damp. And now I'm going to brush the bottom half of my hair. I'm going to take those 2 scrunchies that I already had at the bottom section of my hair. I'm going to take it out and add the middle section. Now I'm going to take a comb and I'm going to part my hair down the middle. I'm going to keep repeating the steps to each part of my hair now. Water, conditioner, brush, gel. Now I'm gonna use Eco Styler gel and a toothbrush to do my edges. Don't mind my toothbrush. I know it's a little bit dirty. It's because, you know, I've been using that toothbrush for like a month. And yeah, there's just a lot of gel in it. But yeah, I'm gonna use this toothbrush to do my edges. So now I'm just gonna take my ponytail and I'm gonna wrap it into a bun. And you can leave it out or you can put it into a bun, but I just play with the bun and fix it until I get the look that I like. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And yeah, bye.
Ain't no screens, it says keeping it cordless. She keep calling, but I keep ignoring it. Ain't no stopping, I'm keeping it for it. Many niggas can't stop me, I'm going it. Many niggas can't stop me, I'm going it. Every time the pack get gone, I get another load.